Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have with us a very special guest. About 3 weeks ago, we had his family as special guests here at the PBA. He would have been here with us, but he was still in Atlanta. So tonight, we have the honor and the pleasure of having with us our silver medalist, although deep down inside, we know it'll always be gold. Mga kaibigan, Mansueto Onyok Velasco Jr. And we'd like to call on now PBA Commissioner June Bernardino. Palakpakan po natin si Onyok, mga kaibigan. Sa Olympics, silver medalist siya, pero sa mga puso natin, mga kaibigan, gintong-ginto ang kanyang medalya. And we have Commissioner June Bernardino to award a plaque of recognition which reads, the Philippine Basketball Association awards this plaque of recognition to Mansueto Velasco Jr., silver medalist, 1996 Atlanta Olympics, for showing the whole world the talent, determination, and courage of the Filipino in the biggest gathering of the finest athletes on earth. Also, as you can see, Onyok is receiving a whole bunch of PBA memorabilia. We have a jacket, a baseball cap, t-shirts, and a whole lot of other paraphernalia from the PBA. Mabuhay ka, Onyok! Mahal ka namin dito sa PBA.
Init talaga.
Yan po ang espesyal na panauhin ng PBA, si Mansueto Onyok Velasco, pinagmamalaki ng Pilipinas, coach. At nakita mo naman pati si Sonny Jaworski, napahalik.
Oo nga, lips to lips pa yata. Pero kita mo siya, napakaliit compared to Marlo Aquino at saka EJ File.
Diyan si Henry James.
Oo.
Kumukuha din ng souvenir. Pag nasapak si Henry James yan, tulog yan. Ang ating pinagmamalaki po si Mansueto Velasco. It's his first time na magpunta dito sa PBA, although yung kanyang pamilya ay naging panauhin na po dito sa Araneta Coliseum about a week after he won his silver medal.
Oo. At yung mga PBA fans natin, Onyok fans din pala lahat ito.
Maniwala ka. Yan naman, lilipat naman siya sa panig ng Formula Shell. Hindi naman pwedeng Hinebra lang.
Oo, magagalit yung Shell, syempre.
Ayan. Ito to si Onyok, gusto maging basketball player nata. Medyo magkakaproblema si Abarrientos dito pag pinantayan.
Tsaka mahirap kalabanin sa loob to.
Naku, nagilit ka dyan.
Hindi ka pwede
pag nadibdiban ka dyan, patay ka. Again, si Mansueto Velasco, mga kaibigan, ang pinagmamalaki natin dito sa Pilipinas, Olympic silver medalist. At siya po ang espesyal na panauhin. At pati mga referee. Sana yan yung referee dun sa Atlanta.
Oo nga sana Ito nag-referee dun sa Atlanta siguro.
Oo, baka hindi nakatingin sa kabila yung mga judges. Alright, yan po si Mansueto Velasco. At kanina kasama niya si Commissioner June Bernardino.